How do you get the perfect hard-boiled eggs? We use our pressure cooker. Well, we use our Instant Pot. But we get the perfect hard-boiled eggs every single time. Check that out. Perfect yolk, perfect egg white. Well, I'll show you how we do it. Check this out. Add some water to our pot. And we'll put our eggs right down inside the Instant Pot. Put your lid on. And then seal that pressure release valve. And we'll pressure cook for 5 minutes. And then we'll do 5 minutes of natural pressure release and release that pressure. And take your lid off. And then we'll move those eggs into a pot of cold water. Let those eggs sit in that cold water for another 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes are up, go ahead and break that shell up into tiny little pieces. And we'll peel the shell off underneath some running warm water. We'll get that water to flow right in between the eggshell and the egg, and the eggshell just slips right off. There you go. Got yourself a perfect hard-boiled egg cooked in your Instant Pot. You got a nice firm egg white and a buttery, smooth, delicious egg yolk. Perfect. Perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. Now throw a little fresh cracked black pepper and some fresh ground salt. You got yourself a perfect hard-boiled egg. A healthy snack that everyone loves. How soft that is. Delicious. Well, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we get another video out there for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up and share us with your friends and family. We appreciate it. And take care of yourselves out there. Bye-bye.